Hey guys, subs Thomas Stem back with Undertale. I thought Sans was gonna talk to me. What? Haven't you seen a guy with two jobs before? Fortunately, two jobs means twice as many legally required breaks. I'm going to Grillby's. Wanna come? Yeah. Well, if you insist, I'll pry myself away from my work. Over here. I know a shortcut. But that's the opposite way Grillby's. Fast shortcut, huh? Hey everyone. Hey Sans. Hi Sans. Greetings Sans. Hiya Sansy. Hey Sans. Were you here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah, I haven't had breakfast in at least half an hour. You must be thinking about brunch. Here, get comfy. Whoops. Watch where you sit down. Sometimes weirdos put whoopee cushions on the seats. Sans, don't call yourself a weirdo. Anyway, let's order. What do you want? Fries. Hey, that sounds pretty good. Really, we'll have a double order of fries. So, what do you think of my brother? Cool. Of course he's cool. You'd be cool too if you wore that outfit every day. He's only taking that thing off if he's absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. And by that I mean he wears it in the shower. Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? Nah, more for me. He just drank the ketchup bottle. Anyway, cool or not, you have to agree, Papyrus tries real hard. I like how he keeps trying to be a part of the Royal Guard. One day, he went out to the house of the head of the Royal Guard and begged her to let him in. Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. But the next day, she woke up and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him a warrior training. It's still a work in progress. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you about something. Have you ever heard of a talking flower? Yeah, Flowey. So you know all about it? The echo flower. Oh, the echo flowers. They're all over the marsh. Say something into them and they'll repeat it over and over. What about it? Well, Papyrus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play a trick on him. Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks. Well, that was a long break. Can't believe ya pulled me away from my work for that long. Oh, by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? Just 10,000 G? Just kidding. Girlie, put it on my tab. By the way, I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Okay. Are they just echo flowers? No, echo flowers are a lot bigger. bandage or the toy knife. What? There's a tutu lying on the ground here. Will you take it? Yeah, sure. Got the old tutu. I was gonna say, why is there like 2 lines at the top? Ah! That's the second one I have to say. I swore I saw something behind that rushing water. Oh, that's a hint. Ah! I thought nothing could hit me there. I was wrong. Oh, hi. Hi, I'm Dine. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did you fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them violently. What? Did you capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard in time, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself. But I'm dying. I dropped. But I'm dying. You don't have to destroy them. You see. Papyrus is getting scared. I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. Oh no. No. Leave me alone. I don't want to die. I'm dying. Don't kill me. Save point. Oh hey, it's you again. Yo, did you see the way she was staring at you? That was awesome. I'm so jealous. What'd you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. Ha, he fell on his face. After a feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. When 4 bridge seeds are aligned, in the water they will sprout. What if I place them in the wrong spot? Because I sort of placed one in the wrong spot. Can I pick it up? No. Oh, okay. Yay, it's a bridge. Aaron flexes in. Flex? You flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increase for both of you. Flexing contest? Okay, I'll flex more. Oh, is that sweat? Oh, Aaron is ready for your next flex. Flex. You flex harder. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increase for the both of you two. Nice. I won't lose though. Oh, hello. Aaron is ready for your next flex. You flex. Aaron flexes very hard. Aaron flexes himself out of the room. You won and gained 0 XP and 30 gold. Aaron flexed himself out of the room. What's that sign say? Congratulations. You failed the puzzle. You're so mean, you sign. Wait, so the bell returns these? Secret, maybe? It just seems like there's a place over here. Oh my gosh, I found a secret. I just wasn't ready for the responsibility. Of what? There's a lone quiche sitting under this bench. Will you take it? Take it. You got the abandoned quiche. Abandoned quiche. You'll 34 HP. A physiologically damaged spinach egg pie. That would work if I put it there, right? Yeah, it would. Oh, ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. How'd I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially till I got yours. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a faded ribbon. Is that true? Are you wearing a faded ribbon? Yes. So you are wearing a faded ribbon. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day. You cooked the old tutu. No wait, that's defense, right? Yeah, there's my faded ribbon. So now I lied to Papyrus because he winked. You can never trust someone who winks. Washua shuffles up. I'm guessing clean? You asked Washua to clean you. It also had excitedly. Green means clean. Okay. Smells like... Oh, it's yellow. So I just need... It's like a stronger vegetable. That wall looks very weak. I knew that wall looked suspicious. Whoa. Iodine. Oh, what? That's cheating. Oh, no. safe? Oh no. Oh yeah, I hope, aw, she set him down. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky? You were standing just a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. What? This cheese has been here so long. A magic crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Squeak. Squeak. Oh, I was reading the Echo Flower. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mythical crystal, it fills you with determination. Geez, I've been playing for more than 100 minutes. This door looks suspicious. Oh, it's just the nice kind of guy. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? Where's the exit? It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? Take it. You got the ballet shoes. So these are the weapon. Ballet shoes. Oh, hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about those clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is very murdery. So, well, do not worry, dear human. Papyrus, would never betray you. I'm not a cruel person. I strive to be comforting and pleasant. Papyrus, he smells like the moon. So because of my inherent goodness, I told her you were not wearing a faded ribbon, even though you told me you were. Instead, I made something up. I told her you were wearing a dusky tutu. It pained me to tell such a bold-faced lie. I know you would never wear a dusty tutu. Your safety is more important than fashion. Dang, I just wanted to be friends with everyone. Papyrus, you kind of messed up. I am wearing a dusty tutu. You happen to mold small. Oh, I can just spare them? That was way too easy. Am I almost there? The power to take their souls. This power that a human feared. What are those things? Hey, I'm not moving anymore. Hey there. Noticed you were here. I'm an onion son. Onion son, you hear? You're visiting Waterfall, huh? This great here. You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Even though the water's getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time. Hey, that's okay. It's moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium, like all my friends did. And the aquarium's full anyways, so even if I wanted to, that's okay though, you hear? And Dad's gonna fix everything, you hear? I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean, you hear? Hey, that's the end of this room. See you around, have a good time in Waterfall. Sharon hides in the corner, but somehow encounters you anyway. Smile? You smile. You ask to see Sharon smile too. Sharon gets quieter in the corner. Aaron nods his head approvingly. Toot. Sharon hums very faint. You hum a sad song. Sharon follows your melody. Siri, Siri, see me, see me. Sharon seems much more comfortable singing along. You won. It's a statue. There's a structure that lies at the feet of the... Okay, that's weird. I gave it an umbrella. Ooh, I have a reflection in the water. Yo, you can't hold an umbrella either if you're walking. You know what? I want to grab an umbrella now. Wait, what happens if I grab an umbrella now? Yo, you got us an umbrella. You're the best. Let's go. I wonder if that's different from his normal dialogue, because I just grabbed an umbrella. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. So one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She would beat up all the teachers. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Put your umbrella put your umbrella. Oh, put up your umbrella and climb my shoulders. You return the umbrella. Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I'll find another way to get through. He fell on his face again. The scene around a distant music box fills you with determination. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's Undyne again. Oh no, one of my controllers is running out of battery. Oh, no, no! 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 No, I got stuck on the corner! What? No! I made it there too! No, I'm retrying. I made it there. Wait, did I get hit? I didn't. I don't remember how to get there. Wait, was this the wrong? No, the arrow stopped, so this wasn't the wrong way. time. Bye, me. Sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Nupa. That's a nice name. My name is... Safe. The waterfall here seems to flow from the ceiling of the cavern. Occasionally, piece of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss below. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage fills you with determination. Well, that's it for this vid. Bye, guys.